In factories around the world, an astonishing number of clothes are manufactured every single year now.
The cotton fields stretch infinitely as workers methodically harvest the fluffy white fibers at dawn's warm light. From farm to factory, this raw material undergoes an incredible transformation in massive industrial machines. So precise, advanced automated cutting technology in action, laser systems precision cutting multiple fabric layers with remarkable speed and in a bustling factory, skilled workers meticulously stitch together thousands of identical garments every day. In a world of precision and speed, where machines meet human skill, our story begins here, in a garment factory. Inside this bustling factory, thousands of garments move swiftly along automated conveyor belts, precision engineered for mass. From skilled labor to quality control experts, every step plays a critical role in creating clothes daily. Visualizing the vast network of global shipping routes, a crucial lifeline of the international clothing trade emerges. As raw cotton fibers are transformed into yarn, the machinery hums to life in a seamless industrial production line here. Here, we witness the raw building blocks of textiles, carefully selected for their unique characteristics and properties. Always. In vast cotton fields, harvesters work tirelessly to collect the fluffy white fibers, a staple of global fashion. Each bale can weigh hundreds of pounds, yet still contains dust, seeds, leaves, and other impurities inside. Inside this vast cotton factory, massive machines break apart compressed bales, unleashing a torrent of fluffy fibers. Powerful air systems loosen and separate the fibers while cleaning equipment removes unwanted particles. Ultra-realistic close-up of soft white cotton fibers floating like fluffy clouds in midair. A delicate sight to behold always. Inside spinning mills, carding machines align thousands of fibers in the same direction continuously always. Inside these machines, smooth cotton fibers are transformed into strong threads, precision at its finest, every step. Inside this ultra-realistic factory, roving machines transform fibers into thin strands. Then spinning machines twist. Modern spinning machines produce thousands of yards of yarn every hour, at incredible speeds constantly.
Energy fluctuations are spiking in Sector 4.
Reroute auxiliary power immediately. We're losing stabilization.
The delta E value on the ochre is slightly off.
Let's recalibrate the sensor and rerun the analysis. Check the cerulean gradient again.
From the wash to the winding, every step is precision engineered to create the richest textures.
Roller alignment checked. The micro-mist application is stable across all lines.
Good. Monitor the sensor readings closely for the next cycle.
All systems nominal. Quality check initiated on line 7. Transfer sequence commencing.
Look at the quality of this twill.
The indigo saturation is perfect.
All right, this crate is the denim fabric.
Copy that. Bring it to the staging area.
We track every shipment, ensuring that only the finest materials, like this 100% cotton yarn, proceed to our quality inspection bay. The oscillation blade moves at maximum efficiency, ensuring zero waste. Continue synchronized workflow. Quality control update on Sector Gamma. Please verify tension settings on the latest shipment.
Processing sequence initiated. Ensure all materials are correctly cataloged before transport.
All fibers synchronized. Pattern 404 deployment successful across all looms. We need to monitor the oscillation speed closely.
It seems the tension is already perfect.
Interface calibrated. Temperature stable. Beginning sequence automation now.
Ensure the rollers are calibrated precisely before the next cycle.
Calibration confirmed. Monitoring the thermal output now.
In our pristine environment, technology and craftsmanship blend to create fabrics of exceptional softness and durability.
Quality control check on line 3. Ensure all garments meet the smoothness standard. Here, precision meets passion, turning simple threads into the fabric of our lives.
We treat every fiber with the utmost care, ensuring a softness you can truly feel. Calipers confirm the seam allowance is exactly 3 millimeters. This silk is flawless. This blend offers unparalleled durability and softness. See how the fibers align perfectly.
From the heaviest denim to the finest silk, we ensure the quality is unmatched. From the raw fiber to the finished bolt, every detail.
All systems optimized. Precision cutting sequence engaged for Navy Textile Batch 7R.
Look at the detail on that seam, absolutely perfect work.
It's the rhythm of the machine and the hand working together.
Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Precision and efficiency at an unprecedented scale.
The colors look beautiful in this light.
Yes, keep the pace steady, everyone. We are doing great work here.
Excellent panorama. A team can put some novel approach in an analysis P taxi. To proteins of the imported city to density jet.
Perfection is not an aspiration, it is the standard.
Make sure the seams are perfectly aligned before pressing. We need this batch done by noon.
Quality is not merely measured, it is felt. Every fiber scrutinized, every imperfection eliminated.
Precision engineering for a flawless finish. The future of textile manufacturing, realized today.
In our laboratory, every fiber is scrutinized for perfection. This is the art of textile quality control.
Quality control scan initiated. Defect rate optimal. We need to adjust the tensile strength on the silk composite. Synchronize the wireframes.
Initiating cut sequence 7. Material utilization at 98% efficiency.
Make sure the stitching is perfectly aligned on this seam.
Yes, I'm checking the tension now. We need this ready by the next run.
Quality is not just inspected, it's felt. Every fiber must meet our standard of perfection.
Maintain the pace, we're ahead of schedule.
The folding mechanism is running smoothly on this end.
Here in the finishing department, skilled hands blend the reactive dyes, ensuring every fiber achieves that perfect, iridescent teal.
Bobbin change on loom 7.
Already on it, nearly done here.
The heart of our operation, a seamless blend of robotic precision and skilled craftsmanship, delivering the future of fashion today. Precision in every stitch, ensuring perfection before it reaches the customer.
Did you check the stitching on the cuff?
Yes, looks perfect. Moving to the printer now.
Welcome to the future of garment packaging, a synchronized sea of activity where human precision and all units cleared for packaging.
Acknowledged. Shifting focus to the next pallet.